Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country and welcome to Windrift Western Rise in Woolacombe. Now this one is a real treat. It's an extensively refurbished and completely remodelled and extended 3 to 4 bedroom detached family home situated in the very popular and sought after village of Woolacombe. So let's take a look at this one now. Of course, Woolacombe is all about the great outdoors, and where better than to enjoy these magnificent views than this superb, large, south-facing sun terrace. This is really a great spot for an alfresco meal, barbecue, or sunbathing, or whatever it is you would love to do. It's also a great vantage point for those spectacular sunsets throughout the year. Now at the front of the property, the house is approached via its own sweeping driveway. There's parking for numerous vehicles and the drive leads down to the large garage, which is a perfect spot to park or to store your beach equipment. There's also an outdoor shower, great for cleaning down after a day on the beach. Around at the rear, below the patio, there are further lawned gardens and level areas perfect for the children to kick a football. There's even a climbing wall as well, and the views from the garden can still be enjoyed from here too. So there we are, that is Windrift Western Rise in Woolacombe, an absolutely stunning, beautiful contemporary family home in a great location, in a quieter spot away from the maddening crowds, yet still convenient to the village amenities and of course the wonderful golden sand surfing beaches. So to come and view this property, please do call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.